Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Loloy meets Hyojina. Of course, it's your boy Loloy.
And it's your girl Jeannie.
We all know how important sleep is, right?
Yes, it is.
We believe that sleeping is the best form of rest.
Then, for you to sleep, what we need?
Maybe a pillow?
A pillow and
How about a mattress?
a mattress? Ding dong ding!
Yeah! And so for today's video, our friends from Maxzzz sent us not only one mattress, but two mattresses for us to unbox and to review.
Woo!
Oh God, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too.
So without further ado, let's jump into it. Are you guys ready? Then let's do the unboxing. These mattresses are shipped in a box for our own convenience. It is wrapped in a double layer plastic to protect the mattress. The packaging includes a plastic cover, the company's slogan card, and a user guide booklet. I suggest that you read the booklet if you want to know more information about the mattress. The plastic cutter lets you cut the plastic easily and safely. As you can see, all you need to do is insert the cutter at the edge of the plastic bag and let it do its job.
Wow!
As you guys can see in this clip, it takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes for the mattresses to expand partially. But according to the user guide, it takes 2 to 3 days for it to reach its full potential. So for the first one, I present to you the 10-inch gel bamboo charcoal hybrid mattress. It is a medium firm mattress. There is a zipper that makes it easy for you to remove and wash the cover. Oh, it actually works great too. Once you open the cover, there is another layer of material that is actually protecting the inside components. This mattress has 3 layers, namely foam support, bamboo charcoal foam that eliminates odor, and lastly, gel memory foam for heat dissipation. It is gel infused so you can't escape the heat. For the second one, we have the 8-inch gel bamboo charcoal hybrid mattress. It is designed for maximum comfort, which means that it is well balanced between firmness and softness. It also has a zipper that lets you remove the cover. The only difference is located at the bottom of the mattress. I find it harder to open the cover for this one since you need to flip the whole mattress completely. This mattress also has 3 layers like the 10-inch mattress. Alright, let's try it out. Okay. Pretty good.
Whoa! This is 8-inch. I can't
Yeah.
believe it. I don't really like very soft mattresses because I don't want to feel my partner's movement in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
So, but this one is just perfect.
Yeah, perfect firmness and perfect softness for
And-
us, personally speaking.
Just to show you how soft and how firm, I prepared 2 cups. It's empty because we
Yeah.
just want to test it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put here in the middle. You're gonna sit here.
We're
Maybe?
not gonna lay down.
Oh, just like earlier.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
하나, 둘, 셋. See? I literally just like, see? But still there. This is the like how soft and firm it is. Like see?
Yeah. See, it's
See,
still,
look at me.
the cup is still standing, so.
See? So this is our first impression of this 8-inch.
But that's our first impression for this mattress. Okay. So far, so good.
Yep, and let's go test the 10
Drop it.
inches. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, turn to move, baby. Okay, I will pretend I'm sleeping. Can you move?
This is softer than the other one,
I
right?
can feel you.
This is softer than the other one.
I can feel you.
See?
Okay, just like earlier. Let's test it. Here we go. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh, it's the same. Enjoying this.
Oh my gosh, I'm really enjoying this testing.
For us to give each bed our full review, we need to at least sleep on it for one night. So
that's what we
we are going to do, I'm going to sleep on the 8-inch mattress, and then Hyojina will sleep on the 10-inch mattress, and then tomorrow we will give you our final verdict for this mattress. Okay? So I guess see you tomorrow.
So we're like ready to sleep now. That one is 10-inch where I will sleep, and this one is the 8-inch where Roy will sleep on it. So see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys! So we are back. After spending a night on each mattress, we will now give you our final honest thoughts about it.
So what can you say about your 8-inch mattress?
For me, personally speaking, there's not much of a difference between my first impression from yesterday. The firmness and the overall structure of the mattress just give you this relaxing sleep, which I experienced last night.
I'm kind of jealous of you.
What about you, Hyojina? What are your thoughts on the 10-inch mattress?
It expanded more overnight, so it became a firm mattress. I thought this is a medium firm mattress, but what I feel is more like firm.
Oh.
Yeah, for me.
So, I would say, if you like a well-balanced firmness and softness on the mattress, go for the 8-inch. And if you love a firmer mattress, go for the 10-inch. So guys, if you want to go and check them out, we will leave a link in the description below. We will also leave a link on their official website. I believe that they have a 10-year warranty and a 30-day worry-free return.
Wow!
Wow! So thank you for watching this video
For
your
your
million
million
dreams! Oh, matutulog. Good night! Good night! I'm sleeping now.